Hello, in this video we're going to be looking at an amazing software that you can use to create stunning videos that you can use to make money online. Now, if you're trying to run a campaign for a product or a service, okay, it is very important that your videos are engaging and enticing, okay, like having cool effects, cool transitions, and cool text. So this particular software we're going to be looking at today is going to help you in terms of creating all of this. Now, you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in video editing just to achieve an amazing video. All right, this particular software can get all the work done for you. Now, down in the description of this video, there is a link. That is my affiliate link. Okay, you can use that link to get 50% off of this particular software because it is very cheap. It's not that expensive. All right, and I've been using this software for quite some time and I've been seeing how amazing it is, and I encourage you also to try it out because it's also going to impact your audience. Is also going to affect how much you're going to be making, obviously, because if your videos are engaging and done properly, okay, people are going to click on your videos, click on your links, and buy your product or the services you're promoting. So I'll be jumping right to my computer right now and we'll be going over this particular software step by step. So I'll be showing you how amazing this software is. It has a bunch of templates, premier templates that you can just basically use and get your video rolling. All right. So if this is your first time stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I do make money online videos and entrepreneurship. So if you like content like this one, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, hit the bell icon also. That way you get notified whenever I upload value-packed video like this one and you don't miss out on anything. Alright, let me know your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Tell me what software for video you're currently using, okay, to run campaigns or to make videos for your product or the services you're currently promoting. Alright, so let me know that in the comment section of this video. Like I said, there is a link in the description of this video for you to get 50% off. That is my affiliate link. I also get a commission when you also buy through my link. Okay, you can do so by supporting the channel and I thank you for that. So with that being said, let's dive right into my computer and I'll be sharing with you how cool this software is. Let's do this, guys. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at this amazing platform called INVIDEO. All right, so INVIDEO is an amazing tool, and over the past few weeks, or should I say like a month now, I've been using this tool and I've seen how amazing it is. My team have been using it, and also we've been getting great results just using this particular platform right here. Now, INVIDEO is a software that basically helps you make videos. Okay, as simple as that. All right, and you can do videos for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram stories, Facebook feed, Instagram post, and all of that. Okay, this will actually help you in terms of creating content, all right, the right way and the fastest way possible. Okay, just like having the right animation to your videos or the right text, okay, that needs to help you do explaining video. Let's say you're trying to create an explainer video and all of those cool stuff. Now, in just a moment, we're going to be looking at some of the features this particular software have and also some of the templates that INVIDEO currently have. All right, so you can see all of the social media platforms that you can repurpose content or you can make videos for, okay, using this particular platform right here. Now, like I said, we've been using it for a while and it has been amazing. Now, one thing I want us to look at right here with this particular software, because this is more of like a review video for INVIDEO, where we're just going to be looking at how this can actually help business people, and also for those of you who are doing affiliate marketing or you're promoting any product online, that you basically need softwares like this, or you basically need tools that can help you, okay, to create content fast, especially advertising content that can help you create this kind of content, and you can use this content to promote out there. All right, INVIDEO is a tool that can actually help solve that particular problem. Now, there's a link in the description of this video. Okay, now if you want to get INVIDEO, that is actually my affiliate link. Okay, when you use that link, you're going to be getting a 50% discount on INVIDEO. Okay, or you can just use the promo code Francis50. Now let's look at what INVIDEO is all about and how amazing this particular feature is. Now, INVIDEO, before getting into that, let me just give you like a little brief right here. INVIDEO has one of the largest and most diverse collection of over 40,000 bespoke templates designed that cater for almost every need. Okay, and you can use them, and they're 100% flexibility. They're 100% flexible and moderate, basically. All right, so we can go over the platform and see all of these things I was just talking about right now. This is actually a review article for INVIDEO right here that I have right here. Okay, and what you can just basically do when you get to this platform is to just browse around it before you even get started. Well, just looking at this alone will tell you how amazing this particular website is. And now let's dive right into it, because this is more of like a review video, okay, that we're just going to be going over. Now when I scroll down here, okay, we can see there are a bunch of templates everywhere. They're just a bunch of templates, and we can just play some of them out so you can see what they look like. Now with INVIDEO, you can use them to you can use this platform to create videos that you can promote online, okay, to promote a particular product or service and all of that, or you can sell this as a service. All right, because a lot of people are looking at buying video editing services and video ads. People want to be using video ads right now, so you can sell that as a service. All right, so looking at this right here, let's just play one of the templates that we can find right here. Let me just play this one. Okay, I just clicked on that one. And we can see there are a bunch of templates inside this. All right, let's say you're making a video for a real estate. You can use a template like this, or you're doing for handbags and all of that. You can use a template like this one. Let's just see what this looks like. Okay, so this is a square. This is actually a square video. Okay, 1:1 ratio that you can use for Instagram. You can turn it to vertical like this. Okay, you can change it to vertical, or you can change it to wide. Okay, more of like standard for YouTube if you want to use this particular template right here. Okay, so if you just select the particular aspect ratio you want and click use this template. Okay, so it is not that complicated to use. It is very, very simple. And another thing right here is if you're looking at doing or hiring somebody to basically do some of these things for you in terms of creating videos, you know that you're going to be spending a lot of money paying that person or paying that agency to help you create videos like this. When we scroll to the bottom of this website right here, we can see the different things, okay, the different industries and the different things we can use INVIDEO for. All right, so for your reference, you can check out their blogs and also their FAQ section. They even run an affiliate program right here. Okay, you know, I am very, very big in terms of affiliate marketing and how huge you can use affiliate marketing to make money online. Now let's take a look at what their pricing is. Okay, you can see their subscription plan right here for $10 and $20 and $30. All right, so let's go back to the bottom. Let's open this one up so we can see what we're getting for this business plan. All right, so this is the pricing for INVIDEO. Okay, so the website to go for this is invideo.io. Now here's the pricing and what it costs. Here's the features. You only have two plans right here, like we saw earlier, $10 and $30 for the business plan and for the unlimited plan. This is if you're paying for 1 year, one whole year, then you'll be saving 6 months. Okay, you'll be saving 6 months right here. As you can see, you're getting 50% off. Okay, just by using the link. Like I said, use the link in the description of this video. All right, or just go to INVIDEO. Once you're about to check out, use the coupon code Francis. Okay, let's take a look at that coupon code once more. Francis 50. Okay, just put my name and add 50 to it once you're about to check out, and you get a 50% off what you're going to be paying on this particular platform right here. Okay, so like I said, INVIDEO, we've been using this platform for up to a month now, and we've seen how amazing it is. That's helped us in creating different video ads. That's helped us in creating different content for social media that we'll be using on Instagram and on Facebook and other social media platforms also, which will enable you to get amazing content. Okay, like as you all know, okay, like you can see other softwares out there, like there's so many other softwares out there that basically help you make videos, but you know that once you make content or create videos that have text on them, okay, that are professionally done and all of that, okay, it makes your viewer want to take a look at it and get engaged with the content you're creating. So I recommend you try this particular platform out, because in the next my next video and some of my subsequent video, I'm going to be using this particular platform as example. So I would like you to stay around or stick around for my next video, which I'm going to be creating okay, which I'm going to be uploading, all right, which we have to be geared towards around using INVIDEO specifically to make money online. All right, so if you don't want to miss that out, make sure, if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload that particular video. So in the meantime, click the link in the description of this video and sign up for INVIDEO right now, because you're going to be getting 50% off when you do so. So take massive action, because this will help you in terms of promoting services and products online and help grow your business also. This is an amazing platform, and I was very, very excited when I saw this, and I could see that their pricing is very, very cheap for a whole month. Okay, you are like paying $20. That's if you're doing the monthly plan. Okay, you'll be paying like $20, but if you're paying for like a whole year, okay, you'll be saving 6 months. All right, half the price. Okay, and like I said, to get 50% off, just click on the link in the description or use my coupon code. I keep mentioning it because I know the value you're going to be getting just using this particular amazing software right here. Okay, so you can see they have over 3,000 plus handcraft templates. There are a bunch of templates right here. There's over 1 million premium photos and videos right here. Okay, you can repurpose this to any language. You can see all the features this particular platform currently have. Okay, and you have the resale right. That's, you can sell this as a service. Okay, you can see it's also have animated text to speech. Okay, this is also a feature where this particular feature alone, okay, when you go over to freelance website, you can see that when you go over to freelance website like Fiverr or Upwork, you can see how much people are charging just to do voiceovers for you, or you can also see how much it costs for you to pay for text to speech softwares, okay, that sound like human. Okay, this software can actually do all of this for you, okay, with just a very small price to pay for it. Okay, so I recommend you try out INVIDEO today. Like I said, the website is invideo.io. Just click the link in the description of this video and sign up with it. So if you find any value in this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think about this review video in the comment section of this particular video. All right, so like I said, in the next video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can basically use this, okay, to make money online. All right, so if you don't want to miss out on that, make sure stay subscribed. Okay, make sure you hit the bell notification icon so you get notified when I upload that video. So until next time, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.